Hi, Calvinea.
What ba naman? Hala, yellow! Okay, yellow.
Ano? Ayun na. Green. Ang galing green.
Kakaon ka na, love? Kakaon ka na, love? Sorry, gid love ha, kay sabagod kay si Dre, love. Amin si love.
Hala, kay putol man ang pangalan.
Karen.
So, half lang ang pupunta sa'yo, ha? Dito.
Oh, yung
Karen
ate, ito lang ha.
Karen Sunga. Antoinette Carla Real or Real or Fake. Charing. Hindi ko
Real
sorry.
or Fake? Yun yung pangalan niya. Ang pangalan niya ay Antoinette Carla Real or Fake.
Ito si Clarice O.A. Charing.
Sorry kung
Napaka yung pagka-love team nyo.
Where would you want to perform in the future? Sky's the limit, anywhere at all.
The most energetic dog out of ever. All the pets. I have dragon with me. I have a pet dragon.
A pet dragon.
Ah,
Oh, a dragonite.
it's Colette's idea.
Na, nag-violet ng iba. Medic! Medic! Nag-violet na sila. May nag-violet na dito.
Colette, pick up line ka.
Anong issue mahirap iwasan?
Ano?
I miss you.
I miss you too. Ako may pick up line.
Ano?
Damo ka ba?
Ano?
Damo ka ba?
Bakit?
Ang ganda mo.
Knock, knock.
Yeah. Who's there? Who's there?
Walang who's there kanina.
Colette.
Colette too.
Could let it be, could let it be, could let it be, could let it be. Susunod na letra.
Letter C.
Yeah, man.